Hello, everyone, and welcome to yet another session of Hospitality Sales. The topic that we are going to discuss today is coordination between sales and other departments in the hotel. I am Chavi Sahai. I work as an assistant professor at AISSMS College of Hotel Management and Catering Technology. The learning objective of today's session are to learn the various attributes of coordination between sales and the other departments. This is a representation of what all departments does the sales department of a hotel comes in contact with, or the points where they need to coordinate. It has various departments. We are going to discuss each and every one of them in slightly detail, as in what are the various actual points of coordination between sales and these departments. We start with the first one, which is coordination of sales with the other departments. The first department is finance. So finance is anything related to money. So in the case of hotels, the job of sales and marketing department in the hotel is to bring in the business, and finance department manages the money. So their point of coordination would be the billing of various sales accounts. Like if they have an account with a company, a corporate account wherein the guest came, they stayed and they left. And if there's any issue related to their bill payment, they will coordinate about that. Then second thing that they coordinate on is deciding the budget and targets, various sale targets in the hotel and the budget for the following year or the following quarter. Next department that we discuss is marketing. Though sales and marketing are generally considered to be the same, we have discussed in the previous lecture what distinguishes between the two. Usually the sales and marketing department is one, but in case it is separate, then the coordination with the marketing department would be to decide upon the new strategies based on the target markets. Whatever market segment they are trying to target, what will be the strategy to capture the market or increase their market share, increase the business. Next, we go to IT. IT means information technology. Information technology department is usually there in all the hotels. They manage all the systems, all the software that is there in the hotel, the billing software or the software for front office and housekeeping. So the coordination between sales and IT would be to have all the systems technologically updated. Whatever systems are present in today's market, so that we are in tune with what is happening around us, it should be all updated. Next, we go to human resource. Human resource department is sometimes referred to as personnel department. Here, the sales and human resource would coordinate on the salaries of the staff of sales department, any other benefits that all the staff members get, be it leaves, be it promotion, be it your annual bonus, anything like that would be covered in the coordination between sales and human resource. Next, we come to the coordination with purchase and stores. Purchase and stores have limited coordination requirement with the sales, merely to buy stationery and other requirements that the sales department would have. They would approach the purchase and the stores department. Next, we go ahead to food production. Food production, first basic thing that they coordinate on is providing the daily meals. That is the staff meals to the staff members. And second, the more important one would be menu selection for banquets in the hotels. Because the job of sales department is to sell not only the rooms, but all the sub-products. That is the food and beverage outlets, the banquets, everything that the hotel is offering. The sales department job is to sell all of that. So in case of banquets, because the menu cannot be a fixed menu, it depends on the customer's choice. So the various menu are available for the guests to choose from. So the sales and the food production jointly decide on the menu selection. If in case any promotional or any special event is going on in the restaurants, then the sales department sells that to the customers and they coordinate with food production regarding the food for the same. Next, we go to food and beverage service. Food and beverage service, again, if any promotion is going on or any special event like a food festival, sometimes the restaurants have street food festival or they have a specific Chinese menu that they are offering the guests when it is time for Chinese New Year, or similarly a Delhi food festival is going on. So the sales department would try and sell that to the customers. Any special event or any new marketing strategy they will devise to sell that food and beverage product to the customer. Next, we come to front office. This is one of the most important areas of coordination. First thing that they coordinate on is sale of rooms. Usually, sale of rooms forms the major chunk of the business of the hotel. So this coordination is very important. Both the departments work hard to ensure that the hotel has maximum occupancy percentage that they can achieve. They also coordinate to know which are the periods during which a very high occupancy is going to be there and which are the periods in which very low occupancy is going to be there, so that any preventive maintenance or any out of order rooms can be taken during that time. They also decide upon the event flow where there is a group booking. What do we understand by that? Event flow means if it's a group of large number of people, how will they come in the hotel, as in what will be their check-in procedure, because too many people will come at the same time and we cannot ignore them or we cannot give them less importance because they are a group of guests. So they coordinate so that everything flows smoothly. Their check-in procedure is handled well. Their luggage is sent up to the room properly. Next, we come to housekeeping. The point of coordination between housekeeping and sales would be first to decide or to ensure that the uniform for the staff is always available. And whatever the system is in place done by the housekeeping, we follow that. Second is, in case of back-to-back events, suppose the banquet hall is occupied from the morning till the evening, and then again the banquet is booked by the sales department for an evening function, for a dinner party, then they have to coordinate with housekeeping to ensure that the place gets cleaned in time for the next event. Various types of service that housekeeping provides, they coordinate about that. And in case there's a VVIP checking in, a big CEO of a company or a politician, anybody, very important, if there are any special requests that the guest has made, they ensure that they convey it to housekeeping and everything about the stay goes smoothly. So these are the various departments with which sales coordinates. I thank you all for listening in. Please follow the link given in the description box and attempt the quiz. I would also like to give credit to the following sites from where I have sourced the material for this presentation. Thank you all once again.